Good morning, all you fellow nomads. This is Cody, the chef and drone pilot, and
Mariana Maurer,
the wife, and we are the Nomadik Life. This is going to be our first episode in which we introduce our lifestyle, what we're going to be taking you on, where we're going to be taking you on, and what we're going to be. We have a Mavic 2, Mavic Air 2. We'll be fixing the gimbal on that later. A smart controller for both. And in episode number 2, we'll be unboxing the new DJI FPV drone. Currently, we're based out of Mesa, Arizona, and you will be seeing us partner with multiple companies out of the greater Phoenix and Sedona area. Throughout this channel, we're going to be traveling the globe. First episode, we have absolutely no clue as to what we're doing, but we have 2 partnerships with RV parks in which we'll be filming them with drones, gimbals, GoPros. We have a partnership with Sedona Can-Am Rentals, in which we will be creating content to grow their business. Stay tuned each week for a new episode introducing the series Come Fly With Me, in which I'll put you in a first-person point of view drone. Just fly around Arizona. Stay tuned, folks. Stay nomadic.